Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Ribbon work embroidery is one of the most beautiful ways to add elegance and charm to any outfit and mm, in outfit. In today's video, we are exploring a stunning collection of the latest ribbon work design ideas that combine creativity, color, and craftsmanship. These designs feature gorgeous ribbon flowers, delicate patterns, and eye-catching details that can instantly transform a simple dress into a fashionable masterpiece. Whether you are an embroidery lover, a fashion lover, or someone looking for unique dress decorating ideas, this collection will give you plenty of inspiration from traditional floral arrangement to modern ribbon embroidery style. You will discover beautiful design suitable for party wear, casual outfits, case dresses, and special occasions. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this amazing ribbon work creation. We hope these ideas inspire your next embroidery project and help you create something truly beautiful. If you enjoy and content, if you enjoy our content, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more embroidery and fashion design inspiration. So take care of yourself. Let's get started.